Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Good morning, South. I'm Riley.
And I'm Nathan.
Guess what?
We only have 5 weeks left of school.
But we still have to get up for school each day.
True. But let's head right into the general news. Are you interested in being a school mascot and spreading your school spirit? If yes, here is your chance. You can sign up to try out to be Roscoe to go to parades and fundraisers. Go ahead and fill out the application packet with this link on screen. Shh, remember to keep it a secret. At Cedar Heights this Saturday is the Japanese Festival. Learn about culture through live performances, food, and activity booths. Please don't forget that lost and found items must be claimed from the security office by the end of the day tomorrow. Just like always, any unclaimed items will be donated to charity.
Juniors, listen up. You guys will be taking a science test next week starting Monday. You'll get a pass today or tomorrow, and the schedule will be posted to your grade level Google Classroom. Make sure you bring your Chromebook and charger, since many of you will be getting your Chromebook swapped out. We're still looking for content for the senior video and could use a little help. You can upload pictures or videos to tinyurl.com/SK22 senior video. The deadline to submit is next Friday, and make sure the content is senior related. Jocelyn's orders have arrived, so if you bought anything before May 13th, then it should be in the guidance office for pickup. Otherwise, items will be shipped right to your home. The hallways have been cluttered lately, so remember to stay to the right.
When you're driving, do you stop in the middle of the road to talk to people? Of course not. And the same idea should apply to the halls of SK. Think of our hallways as the freeway system of our school. Remember, the middle of the hallway is a no stopping zone. If you need to talk to a friend, pull over out of the way. Walk our halls like you drive the road and do your part to unclog our hallways.
Remember to stay off the right and stay off the black.
Let me just unstick this from your neck real quick.
Where's that come from?
Don't worry about it. All that matters is that we find Rosquito, and on this clue, we might actually find him. Anyways, the clue for today is he's not that far, just out the door. Go to the book exchange on the 3rd floor. Who makes sense of these clues anymore? If you find him, then take a selfie with him and tag our Instagram at SKHS Video Production. We'll show the best one here on the show.
Cool.
Cool. Next read?
Yeah, sure. For the PEP assembly, school will start normally. 6th block will start at 8:37, WTV and 7th block will start at 9:49, 8th block will be at 11:52, and our first real assembly in 2 years will start at 1:04. When we all head out for the assembly, this is where everyone will be seating. Remember to wear your OtterPop colors to help make your grade stand out. And ASB is looking for people who want to be a part of games during the PEP assembly. To sign up, you can scan the QR code on screen or go to tinyurl.com/SPA22games. Again, that's tinyurl.com/SPA22games.
In the schedule events, ladies tennis will be at districts tomorrow starting at 9 a.m. Fast Pitch starts their plays tomorrow at noon against Union. If they win, they'll play again at 2:30. And track and field will be back at districts tomorrow. They'll start at 2. And to finish off, the clubs meeting today are 3D Wit, Ceramics, DECA, FFA, German, and Japanese. Meeting tomorrow will be Build as Immunity and Interact. I am hungry.
Well, today is National Devil Food Cake Day.
That just made me more hungry.
You're welcome.
And just a heads up to students taking yearbook next year. The meeting that was canceled yesterday has been rescheduled for Tuesday next week. I've been Riley.
And I've been Nathan. See you later, South.